Our planet Earth is made up of large land areas called continents. Each continent has a unique mix of people, languages, and landscapes. Continents are surrounded by oceans and vary in size and climate. In this lesson, let us explore the 5 major continents: Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, and South America. Asia is the largest continent on Earth, both in area and in population. It is home to more than half of all people living on the planet. Countries such as China, India, and Japan are found here. Asia contains the highest mountain in the world, Mount Everest, and includes great rivers such as the Yangtze and the Ganges. Many ancient civilizations and major religions like Hinduism and Buddhism began in Asia. Europe is known for its deep history, art, and architecture. It has shaped the modern world through discoveries, science, and cultural creativity. The Renaissance and Enlightenment, which changed how people think about knowledge and life, started in Europe. Important countries include France, Germany, Italy, and the United Kingdom, each famous for landmarks such as the Eiffel Tower and the Colosseum. Africa is the second largest continent on Earth and is full of natural diversity. It has wide deserts like the Sahara, large rivers such as the Nile, and thick rainforests like the Congo Basin. Africa is rich in natural resources and cultural traditions, with more than 1,000 languages spoken across the continent. It is also known as the birthplace of humanity, where the earliest humans lived. North America stretches from icy regions in the Arctic to warm tropical areas near the equator. It is made up of countries such as the United States of America, Canada, and Mexico. The continent is known for its scientific progress, strong economy, and cultural variety. Natural wonders like the Grand Canyon and Niagara Falls are part of its fascinating landscape. The people of North America come from many backgrounds, which makes its culture very dynamic. South America is a continent full of life, color, and natural beauty. It is famous for the Amazon rainforest, the largest rainforest on Earth, and the Andes Mountains, the longest mountain range in the world. Countries like Brazil, Argentina, and Peru have vibrant traditions, music, and food. Ancient civilizations, such as the Inca Empire, left behind incredible structures like Machu Picchu. The people of South America express their rich culture through dance and festivals. Each continent has different physical features that shape its environment and life. Asia includes the Himalayas, the tallest mountain range on Earth. Africa has vast savannas and deserts. Europe has mild climates and gentle plains. North America is known for the Rocky Mountains and the Great Lakes, while South America has the Andes and the powerful Amazon River. These landscapes influence how people live, what they grow, and how they travel. The climate of each continent is shaped by its location and distance from the equator. Asia experiences cold winters in northern regions and tropical monsoons in the south. Much of Africa has warm tropical and dry desert climates. Europe enjoys temperate weather with mild summers and winters. North America contains many climates including polar, tropical, and temperate zones. South America is hot near the equator but cooler in its southern tip. These differences in climate affect agriculture, population, and wildlife on each continent. People around the world live in different ways depending on their continent. Asia has the largest population and great cultural variety across regions. Europe is recognized for its history of art, science, and architecture. Africa has thousands of ethnic groups with diverse traditions, music, and languages. North and South America combine ancient indigenous cultures with those of settlers and immigrants. Each continent adds something special to our global identity through its customs, languages, and beliefs. The continents together make up the main land parts of our planet. Asia is the largest and most populated. Europe is rich in history and culture. Africa has incredible diversity and natural beauty. North America leads in science and technology, while South America is known for nature and adventure. Each continent plays an important role in shaping the planet's people, environment, and progress. Learning about them helps us understand the wonderful world we share.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.